Hi everyone. All right, we're back. So we're still on Unit 7, Day 6 notes. We just finished this last problem. The answer was our angle is 35 degrees. All right, we have one more to go. Number 3. In the diagram below, line segment BD is the altitude drawn to line segment AC, the hypotenuse of right triangle ABC. Which lengths would not produce an altitude that measures 4 square roots of 3. Okay, so they're saying this is 4 square roots of 3, and they want to know which one would not work. So the only way to do this is to go through all the choices. So choice A, AD is 6, so I'm going to put that in my picture, and the length from A to C is 14. So again, you got to figure out which two triangles do you have two sides of. Well, I see 4 square roots of 3 and 6 are on this triangle on the left. And then I have 14, which goes with the big triangle, but I don't know the other two sides of the big triangle. So I'm not going to use the big triangle, but 4 square roots of 3 and the length from D to C would be on this triangle on the right. So if I do 14 minus 6, I get 8 here. So now I can use the triangle on the right. I can use the value 8 and 4 square roots of 3. So I'm going to be checking part A, so I'm going to go way over here. So my proportion where I have double shading is this 4 square roots of 3. And then I'm using the triangle on the left, which is a 6, the triangle on the right, which is an 8. So I'm checking to see if this works. All right, so 4 square roots of 3, be very careful where your cursor is. Well, I have to cross multiply, so I'm doing 4 square roots of 3 times 4 square roots of 3 is going to be 6 times 8. So 4 square roots of 3 times 4 square root of 3, make sure it's typed in correctly, is actually just the value 48. And then 6 times 8 is 48. That one worked. So this question wants to know which one will not produce an altitude of 4 square roots of 3. A worked, so that's not the answer to the problem. All right, let's try choice B. All right, now when we go for B, we got to go back into our picture here. So now they're saying A to D is 4. So I got my handy dandy white out. I'm going to put a 4 here. C to D is just 12. All right, so now I don't need that whole value. So again, I'm comparing our right triangle, left triangle. So again, 4 square roots of 3 is the value that's in both triangles, so that goes diagonal. Now I'm checking 4 and 12. So when you do 4 square roots of 3 times 4 square roots of 3, we did that over here. That was the value 48. So now we're doing 4 times 12. 4 times 12. Whoops, I rewrote the same thing twice. How silly of me. So 4 times 12 is 48. So that one worked. So that will produce an altitude. These numbers all work. All right, we got to try choice C. Now AD is 3. So I'm going to wipe this out. I'm going to wipe this out. All right, so AD is now 3. And from C to D, that's 15. So again, the two triangles I'm using, the 4 square roots of 3 is used twice, and 3 times 15. So if you noticed a shortcut, we're looking for which two numbers are going to multiply to give you a 48. Because 4 square roots of 3 times 4 square roots of 3 is 48. 3 times 15, is that 48? No, it's 45. No. These numbers, the 3 and the 15, will not produce an altitude that is the value 4 square roots of 3. So we can stop checking. That one won't work. If you wanted to double, just try choice D. AD is 2. AC is 26. So to get that missing piece, you would subtract. So from D to C is actually a 24, and 24 times 2 does give you that same value of 48. So that one does work. All right, so that is our last section of notes for this unit. Next is the test. So practice, practice, and be ready to rock and roll. Have a great day. Bye.